Hey guys, got back with another video. So in today's video I will do the unboxing of Sony 55-210 lens for E-mount mirrorless Sony Alpha camera. So let's begin. So guys, this is the box for this Sony 55-210 lens. The aperture is f4.5 to 6.3 and it also has OSS, and the model is SCL55210. Then the price of this lens is around rupees 18,000, but I got this on Amazon for about rupees 16,000, and it is an E-mount lens, so you can use this with Sony Alpha A6000, 6300, 6500. So let's start the unboxing. So we have a seal over here. We just take this out, so and we can open this lens like this. And the first thing that we get is a warranty card and product information. So let me just keep this aside, and on opening the box we get some manuals. So there are lots of manuals, and let me just keep all these things aside, and we have the lens over here. Let me just take this out, and we don't have anything else inside the box. So yeah, this is the lens, and we also have a lens hood with it. So let me just keep all this aside. This is the lens, and it is made up of metal, and it's quite hefty lens. So yeah, we have the zoom ring over here. So as you can see, it says 55, and this is the 210. So basically it's a telephoto lens. We also have a lens. Let me just move this. So as you can see, so we also have this lens. So let me just open this. So as you can see, this is the lens hood. It's a Sony branded lens hood, so you can fit this lens hood like this. It's gonna look something like this after applying the lens hood. And as you can see, sorry, actually I don't have my old tripod. It's a small tripod from which I am shooting, so it's very difficult for me also to capture all this in one single frame properly. So apologize for that. But this is the lens. It says E-mount. Just focus. Yeah, as you can see, it says E-mount, and we also have a focus ring over here, and this is the zoom out ring. So yeah, this is the 55-210 mm lens, and the aperture is 5.4 to 6.3. This lens also have optical steady shot. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed the video unboxing of Sony's 55-210 mm lens. If you do like the video, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.